Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I'll show you how to check transfer history in ByBit on the app version. Be sure to watch the end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the ByBit app. You can check the found transfer history for your sub-accounts by opening the transfer window. Accessible via your account assets or account page or via sub-account page. Tap Assets button. In the top right corner you can choose Account. Then tap Transfer button. And in the top right corner you can see History button. Tap on it. Click on the Transfer menu option. If you can select sub-account to disable your sub-account transfer history. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.